Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, and waiting for the videos also, right? So I'm here with the chapter 5, Annalisa and the Giant by James Rivers, right? In this chapter, we'll come to know a person who was named Giant, right? You know Giant? Very tall, very fat, totally different than others from. So Hugo, his name was Hugo. He was a hardworking, gentle giant. He lived in a foothills of Aconcagua, a mountain peak in the Andes range. It's in South America, right? He grew all the wheat, vegetables, and fruits he needed. He did for himself only, right? No helpers, no one was there. He only, because he was very hardworking person. But he had a problem. What is his problem? He didn't have any friends, right? And he always tried to have friends. Every Sunday he dressed well and went down to the village to make friendship with others. But thing is that no one was ready, or no one is ready to make friendship with him. Always he went, but tried also, but it was not possible by him. People ran away in fear. Seeing him, people ran away. They started moving or started hiding themselves here and there. The little girl Annalisa also tried to run away. When she was trying to move fast or hiding herself, her crutch slipped and she fell into a ravine. What is that ravine? A place between mountains, a place between valleys, right? A place. Her crutch fell down. You know crutch? What is that? That wooden made of wood, okay, and stick uh, to support on it for walking, right? Below the arm, it has to be placed to have support while walking. If someone is having legs problem or not able to walk, then this crutch is used for them. Nobody could hear. He started coming over there, and every Sunday he comes, and nobody could hear the giant except Annalisa and merchant Wolf, because whenever he comes to the village, he always shouted so that others can listen and they may come to him to make friendship, but no one was there to make friendship or to listen to him. So nobody could hear the giant except Annalisa and merchant Wolf. He could hear the loud giant perfectly. So all they move here and there only because of his loud voice and his look. All they are afraid of him, seeing him, and all they try to cover their ears also. This much noise he creates. So because of that, all they move here and there. Her crutch fell into a ravine. Fortunately, the ravine had a bed of fresh, soft snow. So, when she fell down, she may get hurt, but she didn't get hurt because of fresh, soft snow. You know what is that? बर्फ है ना. बर्फ क्या होता है? सॉफ्ट रुई जैसा होता है ना. तो because of that she didn't get hurt. The road was empty. When people saw or see the man is coming, the giant is coming, they start moving here and there to hide themselves. So because of that, the road is empty. The ravine had a bed, the road was empty. He shouted, and all the things fell off shelves as the giant spoke. So he shouted, he shouted like anything, just like vibration. He created vibration because of his voice, loud voice, and all things just fell off the shelves or table. No one was interested to make friendship with him, with Hugo the giant. He walked sadly to his lonely hill. So when the giant found no one is interested to make friendship with him, he had to go back to his own place, and he shouted, please, I want friends, please be my friends, but no one was there. So he was very sad, and he had to went back to his home. Annalisa was missing. So during this time, all they were busy to hide themselves, and she was also trying to hide herself, but luckily or unluckily, her crutch fell into that, and she also fell down. So because of that, she was not visible to others. So grandpa finally and others found her. The villagers immediately sat down on rescuing her. All they saw, she was down only, so all they started helping her, rescuing her. Later in the village market, Merchant Wolf gathered the villagers and said, so Merchant Wolf, he was able to listen that loud voice, and she also, Annalisa, and he is a businessman, merchant. The giant wants another. In the evening, he gathered villagers and said, the giant wants another 50 sack of wheat, 60 chickens, and 10 sheep by Wednesday night at the mouth of the foothills. The giant where he lives, we have to take all these things and we have to keep it there, otherwise he will take all the children from the village. Hearing this, some they were thinking, how is it possible? He didn't mention we want I want this sheep, I want this chicken, I want this wheat. Only he was saying, I want friends. Annalisa also heard that. So she talked to grandpa. She told, I think this man is lying. This wolf, he is lying. We didn't hear that. He was saying only, I want friends. Something wrong. So they thought we have to go to the chief's house to discuss about the matter, to solve the matter. Okay, so in our next video we'll come to know what happened afterwards. Clear? So this much you have to remember, and in our next video you will come to know what happened afterwards. Okay, bye, take care.